Thank you, Chalkola, for sending this item to check out. And we are looking at the Chalkola Watercolor paint, which has 12 millimeter tubes or 0.74 US fluid ounces of 36 colors. The set includes 10 brushes and a palette. And here are the colors that are included with the light fastness, different opacity, and the pigment codes to let you know that's from scarlet red, crimson red, vermilion red, deep red, rust red, Naples yellow. It just has many different colors. Look closely, look fast. All right. And we here have a watercolor paint, color swatch sheet. It gives you different names of the colors here. Scarlet red, crimson red. You can test it. Wish there was a way to print more so you can get an idea. Want to mess around more. And here we have the paints. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's like 18 on each tray. We have the 10 brushes and the palette. All right. Let's do a quick test here. We're taking that part off. Use rust red. Opening it up. No need to open them. They're already open. I guess I'll just do it here. A quick little drop. And let's do a little bit of water on this side. Get some paper here. Okay, this is how the rust red looks. Just how it looks when you add water to it. Okay, let's get the paint and then mix it with water. So you get a different idea. This was the original paint, then the water added on top. watercolor fading. This has been the Chalkola Watercolor paint with 36 different colors.